Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Greaves. I just wanted to go over showing work. So, hold on. So we just want to make sure that we understand what showing work looks like. So, for example, if I have a problem that says 1/4 plus 1/2, okay? What we don't want to do is we do not want to just say 3/4, okay? Now, this is maybe a problem where you might know that answer off the top of your head, and I understand that. So I will kind of look at that, but this is the example of like how to show work appropriately. So 1/4 plus 1/2, what we would need to do is make common denominators, which would be 4. So, I mean, I might show that I did 2 times 2, or top and bottom times 2, so 2 over 4, and then I would show 3/4. So this is correctly showing work, okay? Let me just write that here real quick. Correctly showing work. Okay, this helps me know what you're doing. It helps me figure out, do you know what the process is? It helps me know, how do I need to help you? If I just see a problem, and this is another example of what not to do, if I just see a problem, 2.5 minus 1 3/8, and I have an answer, and I don't even know if this is right. If I just see that and I can't grade that because they don't know what you've done. So that again is not a good solution. What you want to do is you want to show your 2.5 minus 1 3/8 over here. You want to show me how you're changing this to improper. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1. I need to see the 5/2. You don't need to write that part down because it's pretty self-explanatory, but just writing down the 5/2. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11 over 8. So now we need a common denominator, so over 8 over 8. I don't necessarily need to see this part where you say times 4, but a lot of people like to write it down, so 20 here. So then 20 minus 11 is 9 over 8, so the correct answer to that is 9/8, which also can be written as 1 1/8. I will accept this answer or this answer, but I think that this one is better with the mixed number because I think with the multiple choice problems that you have on your tests and quizzes, it's going to look like this. So this is an example of showing your work. That's what I need to see, because if you're missing something, that's how I can see it, is by seeing each of these steps, because then I can see, ooh, did they multiply or add incorrectly to get the wrong numerator? Or did they just subtract incorrectly? Or is it a problem with reducing? When I ask you to do these types of assignments, like this is the only time I really get to see your work in an online environment. So that's why I'm very, like, do your work in pencil, do it on a notebook piece of paper, show all your work. Very strict about it because it's the only opportunity that I have to see what you're doing and be able to help you and correct you as needed. So I know I sound like, I'm really mean and a broken record here when I keep saying, show me your work, show me your work, show me your work. But this is what I'm trying to get at so that I can help you as much as I can, because I can't see you in the classroom doing this. So anyhow, if you have questions, let me know. But again, another suggestion, keep in mind, with taking pictures, a lot of you are struggling to get those in the Dropbox. The best thing I can suggest for you to do is using the CamScan app with a phone. Now then take that phone, whosever phone it is, yours, mom, dad's, some adult in your house or older sibling or whomever, and go to either the App Store or just Google it. Look for the Google Drive, download Google Drive onto that phone as well, and sign into the Google Drive with your credentials from school. Then you'll have your school Google Drive on that phone, and then you can just when you take your scan and you want to share it, it'll give you the option of sharing it to the Google Drive. And then once you have it on the Google Drive, then you automatically have it on your Chromebook. So that is that's an idea that we've figured out, a workaround that we figured out in our house because my kids have Chromebooks too, and we couldn't get anything to theirs as well. So that's the best suggestion I have for that. So please help me out. Let's show work so that I can help you be a better math student. Not because I'm trying to punish you, not because of anything like that. I just want to be able to see what you're doing so I can help you. All right? Have a great day. Let me know if you need anything.